Hey there guys, so today we're going to model a wine glass and in the end I'll teach you even how to render it like a glass, so just stay tuned till the end of the video. Now how we start is we take this cube, go into the edit mode and we have a cut in the middle. What we do is now we select all the other vertices apart from these two and delete them. Now you see we have these two vertices left here. What we'll do is we'll use the screw modifier. Now as you can see, just by controlling these two vertices we actually have a cylinder, and we can eventually control the whole model with the help of just these two vertices. Now what I'll do is just take it above this level. Now I'll go into the right mode and now what we'll do is go into the edit mode and we will start extruding this one. Extrude inside. Like a wine glass should be. After reaching a certain height, we'll do is start extruding it outside so that it looks more like a glass now. And you can see that a wine glass has started taking shape. You can eventually model it according to you, according to how you want the thickness. Now I'll just cover the inside as well. And you can see our glass is almost ready. You can eventually model it according to you. We'll apply the screw modifier, then we'll have a subdivision surface so that it looks smooth. You can actually remove it for a while. Yeah, subdivision surface so that it looks smooth. Now you go into the cycles render. To make it look like a glass when we render it, you go to the materials tab, use nodes, and you use this glass BSDF. It will eventually make it look like a glass when we render it. Also, if you want to render it in a studio setting, you should have a look at our channel's video Blender tutorial on how to have a studio lighting and rendering it perfectly. Thank you so much and stay tuned and subscribe to our channel.